Welcome to ThankCare GSM.
In this video I'm going to show you how to separate Tecno pop9 glass from the screen. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. Put the phone on the separation machine. Set the separation machine temperature to 120. Wait like 3 to 4 minutes for the screen to get hot. Remove the phone, use razor blades to raise the screen a little. Do it round the screen, but be careful with this. You may break the screen if it goes wrong. Make sure the screen is very hot. If not, put it back to the machine. Set your razor blades at the top corner of the screen. Start separating. You see it going well. Do not force it if it's cold. Watch my hand carefully to see how I'm setting the razor. You can do this on your own if you watch my video to the end. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks. This separation work take 15 minutes of my time. Life's a risk, don't be afraid of taking a risk. When I started this separation work at first, I used to be afraid. But now I can separate any phone without being afraid. The first separation work I did. Do not work, I break the screen. Since Since then, I have never breaking anyone. Successfully separation, do not need disturbance, stay focused. Always set your razor blades well. Before using separating wire. Make sure the screen is very hot, so that it will be faster. Be careful when you reach the down. Make sure the screen is very hot. Please subscribe, like and share my video. Thank care GSM, love you guys. Work done successfully. Now let's test the screen. You see it's working perfectly. That's all, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.